We've just completed an amazing solar installation, and we're thrilled to share the highlights with you. We're in the final stages of installing the last few panels on this customer's home. The electrical wiring was professionally run through the attic to maintain a clean and neat setup. To guarantee peak performance, we use cutting-edge SolarEdge inverters with optimizers. These high-quality inverters come with an outstanding warranty for your peace of mind. The best part is, even if one panel gets shaded, it won't affect the rest of the system, thanks to our use of optimizers. For this installation, we opted for an elegant all black on black design, including the SolarEdge junction box, adding both style and function to the setup. This means you won't see any conduit on the roof at all. At Supreme Solar and Electric, we take immense pride in our 100+ 5-star reviews and the opportunity to serve our community in the Central Valley. We love helping our customers harness the power of the sun to save money and protect the environment. Join the solar revolution with Supreme Solar and Electric today. Together, we can make a brighter and greener future for everyone.